The most recent air quality study conducted by the Port of Long Beach has revealed a dramatic decline in port-related air pollution. Between 2005 and 2010, diesel pollution was cut by a remarkable 72%, and other air pollutants saw steep declines as well.
We've had tremendous success in reducing not only diesel particulate matter, but also nitrogen oxides, byproduct of combustion, sulfur oxides associated with the amount of sulfur in fuels, and also greenhouse gases. We were able to reduce greenhouse gases by 18%.
Cargo volumes were down 7% during the study period, so the slowdown accounts for only a small portion of the air quality improvements. Rather, this dramatic decline in emissions was the result of the port's Green Port Policy and Clean Air Action Plan, which brought aggressive clean air programs and technologies into operation.
We are engaged in a massive infrastructure program to install cold ironing or shore power infrastructure, so ships, when they're at berth, they can plug into shoreside electricity rather than using their diesel engines. Ships now have to use low sulfur distillate fuel, clean fuels, and the vessel speed reduction program, where ships actually slow down, and when a ship slows down, it saves fuel.
The biggest success by far in the port's clean air efforts has been the Clean Trucks program, which has reduced truck-related emissions by 90% much sooner than anticipated.
A phenomenal reduction. Essentially turned over the entire fleet of trucks that serve the port.
What makes this particular study impressive is that the port compiled a comprehensive emissions inventory, which takes into account the emissions activities of all equipment, from tugs to ocean-going ships, from trains to trucks working at the port. The result is a more accurate picture of the port's emissions output. The study was reviewed by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, the California Air Resources Board, and the South Coast Air Quality Management District.
We actually go out and look at every vehicle that's cargo handling equipment in the terminals to see what kind of equipment they have, what kind of engine it has, and what kind of emissions it would produce. The emissions inventory is a tool that allows us to examine the ports specifically.
The Port of Long Beach has made incredible strides toward reducing air pollution within the last 6 years. And with many new programs and technologies in development, we can expect to see even further air quality improvements in the years to come.